guys, it's 6 o'clock in the morning.
And the first thing we are going to do is Pokaram.
Let's get ready. So I am ready. So it's almost 1:30 in the afternoon and we all are ready. Like I am wearing Setum Mundum. I will show you in a while. Mummy is cooking in the kitchen. She is cooking amazing things. Like we are having around 13 to 14, 12 to 13 dishes as usual. And she is cooking. She is like sword food cooking in the kitchen and we are ready to hog on. We just want the food. Also, I'm missing my friends, like the autumn we had before. Like they used to come home, me, my friends, my family friends, mommy's friends. So everything, every year autumn was like, but this year it's me, mom, dad and Monu. So anyways, we are gonna have fun and of course I'm gonna make you jealous with the food we have today. So stay tuned till the end of the video. And now let's rush to the kitchen to see what she's cooking. Because Onam without Sadhya is like zero. So let's go. Hey. Hello. Hello. Say happy Onam.
Happy Onam.
Okay, what are you cooking? What is this?
This is paisam.
Oh, we are making honey, mummy.
Incomplete paisam.
Okay, so you are completing now. Paisam is getting ready. Mummy, what all we have? आज क्या क्या है special?
We have sambar,
Sambar,
avial, inji curry,
ulitiyal,
morgari,
morgari,
erisheri,
erisheri,
achinya melkotti,
achinya,
cabbage thoran,
cabbage,
paisam, pappadam,
अचार और क्या था और कुछ
pachamore.
पचमोरे.
That's all.
That's all. That is all. Okay. So everything is ready. Now just spice is baki na hame. You are having a lecture? Huh?
Yeah, lecture.
Are you attending? Ajay, you're concentrating.
Full focus.
Show who's teaching? वाह बेचारी रे वो सिखा रही है और इधर देखो टीवी. He is getting ready and it's like लड़के लोगों को बहुत टाइम लगता है लड़की लोगों से रेडी होने को. Like look at him. I'm just waiting for him since half an hour and he's still like getting ready. What is this? Time of the day. It's food time. relatives. So mummy is already talking.
ഇപ്പൊ എന്ത് വന്നാലും പേടിയാ നമുക്ക്.
Didn't you wear lungi? എവിടെ പോവാടിഞ്ഞ എവിടെ
ഇപ്പൊ ഇവിടെ എല്ലാം തുറന്നല്ലോ.
So done with the food and like morning I had so much energy कि हाँ पूरा दिन it will be like we will vlog and all but खाना खाने के time we are all paying now with food.
Overdone.
Actually overdone and it's like we are in
See, the
food
thing
coma,
is, you know,
literally food coma.
The food is so good that even if our stomach is full, we feel to eat more and more and more, and
Yeah.
this is what you feel later on.
And now it's like you cannot show either se niche nahi.
It's big tummy, you know.
Yeah, I know. So and my battery is low. There is no current.
It actually came, right?
Came kya?
Yeah.
Okay, I will charge my battery and again we have to call my brother. He has his birthday today. So we
That
will,
looks like Jobin's helmet, right?
no. So we will call him after some time. We will charge our phone and we'll call him and let's see if he picks up. Bye.
Bye.
Normal t-shirt, relaxing. So my phone's battery is low, so I've kept it for charging. Even my battery is low, so I'm just going to have a small nap for some time and I will see you in the evening.
2 hours later.
Time for some coffee. Cheers. I took the sip while coming, so I'm just acting right now that but it's too yummy. It's raining outside. The weather is orange. Weather is good and the sky is orange. I'm still on food coma, it seems. It's almost 8 o'clock now. I told you my brother has his birthday today, so let's call him now. Oh, happy birthday! हाँ?
क्या हालत बना के रखा है अपना?
ऐसा मत बोल पागल.
Happy birthday to you.
Not so happy, I'm sorry.
Happy birthday, dear Mahavali. Happy birthday to you. നിങ്ങളാണ് തീരുമാനിക്കും ആരെ കൊടുക്കേണ്ടത്.